Hello student, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is CNAT Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about non-projected graphic aid, two concepts, map and photographs. Now first is map. Definitely you all might know what is map because in your lower classes to explain the social science we were using maps. Now map is a representation of a earth's surface to know about the distribution, landmarks, geographical conditions. We are using these maps. This is called map. Now there are mainly three types of map. Historical map, distribution map and geographical map. Now this historical map which help us to understand different kingdoms, their symbols, their area, like area when to when, where to where, what all the things happened. These all things are explained in historical map. The second is distribution map. Now this distribution map will help us to know about the region, population, houses, such kind of information. And geographical map which explain about the geographical areas of weather, the landmarks, some important areas, regions. These all factors are explained in geographical map. Now, how we can make use of this map? Definitely, this map which help us to learn about the Earth's surface, like maybe a map which explain about our nation. Now, if you want to know about a route map or transport, mode of transport, these are explained with the help of map. But thing is that there will be different color codings, symbols, lines. Okay, straight line, dotted line or like break in their lines. Different structure will be there. You must have all the information, all the idea about such things. With the help of that, we can learn the map. The advantage is we can have most of the information with the help of one graph. It helps us to keep a keen interest so that we can obtain a maximum information with the help of graph. It helps the individual to gather a less of materials with the more of information. So you don't need to carry so many books, resources. Instead of that, one map will help you to get everything. It helps you to enhance your knowledge. It helps you to improve your thinking skill, creative thinking, and your learning process will improve with the help of these maps. The next is photograph. Now, these pictures as the non-projected graphic aids. The common pictures are photographs or paintings. Now, this will help to catch the attention of a learner. Also, this is one of the most commonly available aids. Okay, now how we can make use of it? Now, when you make use of pictures, you need to present the picture before you start the class, and you can ask some questions related to that picture where the learners can stimulate their thinking, give some answers. Then that will give a lead to your class so that you can continue with the class. Then when you present a picture, the picture should be big enough that everyone can see. The picture should be very simple, very clear with one concept. If 2-3 ideas in one picture, then definitely that will be a bias. You are not able to illustrate anything. And the picture, it is easily available, which should create interest in the students. Whenever you present any picture, that should arouse their interest. They should motivate it towards the learning. Picture should catch the attention of the learners so that teacher can sustain their attention for another 30 to 40 minutes and she can take a class. Picture also help the teacher to maintain continuity in her class without any pause or break. She can have a continuous class by presenting certain pictures. Now these pictures also presented in a series so that we can create a story in that which will improve a better understanding and like memorization in a small students. So that's the main effective way of using these pictures. So dear students, nothing much in that. We learned about non-projected graphic aid, picture, and one more was map. The type of map was historical map, distribution map and geographical map, and pictures. The main pictures it include photographs and paintings. That's all. I hope you understood. Please go through all the non-projected graphic aids because you may expect any kind of questions like list all the non-projected graphic aids and explain any few. Then you can write all these things. I hope you understood. I say thank you all and I'll see you in the next class.